Hey guys, welcome to Essentials. When I traveled to Italy, I was on the Amalfi Coast. I had the good fortune of having the best carbonara I've ever had. I'm gonna try my best to do it, but this is my interpretation of carbonara. Smoked bacon here. You could use guanciale as well, that's the traditional. I found this really nice malfadini pasta. All those ridges are gonna catch this delicious carbonara sauce. While the bacon is rendering, while my pasta's cooking, I'm gonna make my carbonara sauce. So I have 3 whole eggs, 3 egg yolks, good amount of Parmesan. So you kind of incorporate. So now that this is rendered out, I got a good amount of bacon fat in there. I'm gonna take some of this pasta. And here we're just looking at coat. Oh yeah, that looks pretty tasty, guys, right there. Black pepper. A little more Parmesan. JG's Carbonara. Make this, you won't regret it.